Is the katsu even salvageable after I put it in spaghetti ice? What do you think? The spaghetti is definitely not good.
Well...
One moment though.
I don't know. I don't need to. It's been hard lately.
Another citizen had a drink from about 6 weeks ago in the fridge.
Oh yeah, we can put that in too. It's gonna be awesome, Strangelove. It's gonna be awesome. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's take a picture together, bro. I'm sorry.
Yeah, take a picture.
Strangelove leftovers night.
The bosses will remind you to clean out your fridge every now and then.
I didn't know that.
That's the real reason the AI told me. I said, Mammal Pod, what would you do if you had some stinking ham left in the back of your fridge? And she said, I throw it out. And I said, what if you were supposed to eat it a long time ago? And the Mammal Pod says, it's for the good of everyone. I throw it out. It's really quite something that I've built. There's folded rotting ham on the counter. Then I say to the Mammal Pod, what if someone left a drink with one sip of a liquid left in it in the fridge for going on like 4 months, seriously. And the Mammal Pod said, I killed them. And then I had to reset it because I knew this was wrong. No, it's like rice, it's like a raw geode. And I can't wait to add the spaghetti to it.
And what did you do with the katsu?
Katsu, I put it back in the container that it wasn't.
Okay.
That is not curry anymore.
Yeah, it's a shame when we have a surplus of food here at Mother Base. The camera batteries, after Strangelove clean out the entire fridge, both of them.
See?
Mm-hmm.
I've been making a care package for Huey. He has all of his favorites.
Including moldy egg,
Moldy egg,
baba ganoush,
baba ganoush, decrepit ramen, stinky cucumber, wilted ham rice.
You're gonna have to wash your hands again.
I hate everyone.
Okay, well.
Look at this.
Come now. See, look at all the dishes in the sink.
You think that someone else would have to do the job instead of your top AI scientist, but no. It all falls to me because you're all too busy fucking and sucking.
Okay. like this. Flawless. I woke up like this. Flawless. I woke up like this. Flawless. I woke up like this. Flawless. Are we filming? Boss!
I'm sorry.
I'm never giving you a camera again.
I woke up like